Welcome back, you guys. This is GWR83, and this will be my last Tvrm Steam profile. I'm coming up with the diesels later, and for this last profile, I'm gonna give you an engine who comes every April and May, which is Thomas the Tank Engine. Okay, so through the years, I went to Dale with Thomas to see how was he doing, and I was rail fanning him. And ever since I was a kid, I used to like going every year. So when did Dale with Thomas started in the Tennessee Valley Railroad Museum? Well, in this video that I found right here, Dale with Thomas started in 1999. And in this video here, we can see Thomas coming into the station.
There's all the people on Thomas. That's where we're going to be in just a few minutes.
Thomas used to be a steam-powered engine, but ever since now, he was a dummy. Which means that he can't push himself. The engine pushes him. And in this picture right here, in this video right here, we can see Tvrm number 280 from the U.S. Army, number 610, coming into the station. Although 610 didn't run anymore, she did run in the 1990s and 80s. And ever since now, Dale with Thomas would still be like this. Here's Thomas right now when he was pulling out of the station. Okay guys, so that was the end of my Steam profiles. And don't worry, the diesel profiles are coming up. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all real soon.